There are many benefits to spending your time in nature, including reducing stress, improving mental health, and restoring your sense of connection to the world around you. Investing in a hobby like boating or fishing can be one of the cool hobbies to spend time away from stressful life circumstances. What is a hobby? A hobby is an activity, interest, enthusiasm, or pastime undertaken for pleasure or relaxation. Being out on the open water is so peaceful and reduces stress. It's like all your worries and stress disappear. Maybe it's the fresh air, or the sound of the waves crashing against the boat. Whatever it is, there's no denying that spending some time boating can be good for your soul. If you're looking for a bit of solitude and peace of mind, there's no better place to do it than out on a boat. If you've been stressed lately, why not head out for a day on the boat? You might find the solitude and peace of mind you've been searching for. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and enjoy the peace and tranquility of being on the open water. Your soul will thank you for it. The peace of nature will make you feel more relaxed, which helps take your stress level down a notch. Some studies have shown that spending time in nature can lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol. Boating is one of the unique hobbies to spend time together as a family because it forces you to unplug from your electronic devices and focus on each other. It's also an excellent opportunity to teach your kids about responsibility and teamwork as they help with things like navigation and docking the boat. And, of course, being out on the water is plain fun. But it's not just families who can benefit from boating together. Spending time on a boat with friends is also a great way to build closer relationships. Because boating requires everyone to work together and communicate, it can help you get to know your friends in a new way. Being out on the open water is bound to create fun memories that will last a lifetime. So whether you're looking to spend more time with your family or want to deepen your friendships, boating is one of the most interesting hobbies to try. Get out there and enjoy some quality time with the people you love. Mayumi falling asleep on the boat while Aki navigating the boat.